This is the booking page of our system where you can create bookings. It includes different modules where you can create normal bookings, school trip bookings, airport bookings, and more. You can also view the booking listing where all created bookings appear along with their statuses. So first, let's create a normal booking. First part, normal booking. First, we add the pickup and drop-off addresses. After adding the drop-off address, you will see a plus button. By clicking it, you can add multiple stops. Next, we add the customer's name and then the customer's phone number. After that, you will see an SMS toggle. This means if we turn this on, booking alerts with a tracking link will be sent to the customer on this number. After that, we set the date and then open the booking time selector. Next, you will see a recurrence template drop-down. With this, you can create a recurring booking, which we will explain later. For now, we are creating a normal booking. After that, we come to the payment section. Here we select the payment method, cash or general credit. Then you can select a fare. All the fares you have created will appear here. But for now, we set a fixed price, which is 200. Next, we come to the characteristics section. Here you can see the agreement and priority fields, which we will explain later. Then you can add car features and driver features. These features are customizable. You can add anything from the settings. Next, we set the vehicle type and select the seating capacity. Then we have the vehicle selection drop-down. If you want this tour to run with a specific vehicle, you can select it from here. To make it easier, you can click the car icon. It will open the Assign Vehicle dialog, where you can filter and assign the vehicle easily. Next, if you want the trip to appear to the driver sometime before the pickup, you can set the allocation time here. If you click Open Now, the trip will immediately appear for the driver. After that, you will see the On Hold toggle. If you turn this on, the trip will stay in pending state even if the opening time arrives. It will remain pending until you turn it off. Now our normal booking settings are complete. When we press the Save button, this normal booking will be created. Part 2. Recurring booking. Now let's see what a recurring booking is and how it is created. As the name suggests, recurring means a booking that repeats. Recurring bookings are mostly used for school trips, restaurant trips, or corporate businesses that need the same bookings again and again. To create a recurring booking, we first add the pickup address. Then we add the drop-off address. Next, we add the customer name and phone number. After that, you will see a recurrence template drop-down. Click on it. We can create recurrence templates from settings and use them directly here. But since we don't have any template created right now, we click on the Create New Template button. Now the recurring booking dialog has opened. There are two important things here. When the recurrence starts, when the recurrence ends. First, we select the starting date and time. Then we select how often this trip should repeat, daily, weekly, or monthly. For now, we select weekly. After selecting weekly, you will see weekday checkboxes. From these, select the days you want the trip to repeat. If you want to change the time for any specific day, you can do that too. Next, there is the End section. Here you select when the recurring booking should end. You can set it to never end, and on a specific date, and after a certain number of trips. For now, we select that the booking should end after 3 trips. After that, you will see a calendar tab above. If you click on it, you will switch to calendar view. Here you can visually see all the dates you selected. Now, when we click the Schedule button, our recurrence is created. Note: only the recurrence is created, the bookings are not saved yet. Next, you will set the remaining elements of the recurring booking, like business selection, payment method, fixed price, and whether you want to take the fare from the council, etc. These settings are the same as normal booking. After completing everything, click Save. Now the recurring bookings will be created. To search these bookings, we have the Advanced Search button. Click on it. The Advanced Search dialog will open. First, enter the name of the filter. Then set the status to confirmed because these bookings are confirmed. From the time filter, select all time and click search. Now in the listing below, all bookings filtered by this filter will appear. Our recurring bookings are also visible here, and you can see the recurrence icon next to them. If you want to expand the listing, you can do that too, and it will show more entries visually. In this listing you can see that recurrence bookings have a calendar icon with booking ID which shows that these are the recurrence bookings. Part 3. Action Buttons. Now let's look at the action buttons on the booking page one by one. If you click any booking from the listing, all its details will appear in the form above. These details are read-only. If you want to edit them, click the Edit button in the action bar. The booking will switch to edit mode. After changing anything, click Save, and the booking will be updated. If you edit a recurring booking and save it, an Update Recurring Booking dialog will appear. This confirms whether you want to update only this booking or the entire recurrence. Next, click on any booking and then click the Pause button in the action bar. You will also see the pause icon appear. This will pause the tour, and it won't execute until you unhold it. Next is the View on Map button. When you click it, you will see a map view of the trip showing pickup and drop-off pins and the tour details. The next button is the Google Map button. Clicking it will open the trip details in Google Maps. Next is the Track Tour button. Clicking it will show the live tracking of the vehicle. You can see the car's live location and movements. Next is the Change Dispatch Log button. By clicking this, you can see where the driver picked up the passenger, where they dropped off, and all the tour details. If any edits were made, all logs are visible here. Next is the Cancel Tour button. For any future tour, click this button, provide the cancellation reason and description, and the tour will be cancelled. The tour status will also show cancelled. Next is the Forward Tour button. It is currently disabled. It will only be enabled when a tour is running and has a driver assigned. Next is the Reopen Booking button. This is used when a booking stops for any reason or goes to alarm status. You can reopen it from here. Next is the Copy Tour Details Without Vehicle button. Select the booking, click this button, and all details will be copied into the form except the vehicle. If you change anything and click Save, a new booking will be created as a copy. Next is the Copy Tour Details with Vehicle button. This copies all details including the vehicle. Make any changes you need and click Save to create the copied booking. Next is the Recurrence Details button. Click this on any recurring booking to view its recurrence details. You can update them from there if needed. Next is the Return Tour Without Vehicle button. If you want to copy a booking but with swapped addresses, pickup becomes drop-off and drop-off becomes pickup, click this. After saving, the return tour will be created without a vehicle. Next is the Return Tour with Vehicle button. This does the same but includes the vehicle. For this case, there is no vehicle assigned to the selected booking, that's why this button is disabled for now. Next is the Quick Assign Vehicle button. By clicking it, you can select any vehicle from the pickup area and assign it to the tour. Next button is plus icon, which is used to create a new booking. Next is the Send SMS button. Select a booking and click this. In the dialog, you can add multiple phone numbers and send the trip details by SMS. Next, you will see the Quick Search field. Type any booking ID here to search for it. If you are currently on a tab where that booking is not listed, press Enter, and a filter will be created with that booking ID, and the booking will appear. Then we have the Advanced Search button, which I explained earlier. Also, when you click on any booking, a details box appears on the right side showing all booking information. It also has a copy button so you can copy those details. Another important thing, if for any reason the driver does not have the app or cannot complete the tour, select the tour, click Edit, and from the right side Manual Complete drop-down, you can manually complete the tour by giving a reason. The tour status will change to complete. Part 4. Multi-Customer Module. Now we have another module called Multi-Customer, which we will explain in this part. This is different use cases, such as school runs where multiple customers can be included. To create a multi-customer booking, we first add an agreement. This means we create a preset so we don't have to enter the same data again and again. When we select the preset from the agreement drop-down, all fields will automatically populate. To add an agreement, we go to the side menu, expand Settings, and click Agreement. The agreement page is now open. Here you can see the list of agreements and the Add New button. We already created an agreement for a school run multi-customer booking. Let's open it and see what it contains. Here you can see name, fare, fixed price, basically everything you want to preset. If you are creating a preset for multi-customer, turn on the multi-customer booking toggle. Below that, you will see more tabs, which you can expand one by one and add any data you want. After completing everything, click Save and the preset will be created. Now we go back to the booking page and create a multi-customer booking. In the booking form, we first add the pickup and drop-off address. Then we select the name, phone number, date, and time. If you want to create recurring bookings for this, you can use the recurrence template drop-down just like we explained earlier. Then, in the characteristics section, you will see the agreement drop-down. Open it. Here you can see the school run agreement we created earlier. Select it. Now you can see that everything we added in the preset is automatically populated. After that, we save the booking. Once saved, we will add another customer because we are creating a multi-customer booking. After saving, the booking appears in the listing. Click on it, and in the action bar, you will see a multi-customer button. Click on it. The multi-customer dialog has opened. Here you can see the first customer we added while creating the booking. Below, you will see the Add button. Click it to open the Add Customer form. Enter the details of the second customer, name, number, pickup location, date, time, drop-off address, etc. After completing everything, click Save. Now the second customer is added. You can add more customers as well by clicking Add. After adding all customers, click Done. Now in the booking listing, you can see a small tag with the number 2, which means 2 customers are added. You can also see the customer names. Click the booking, and on the right side you will see the details of both customers separately.